Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to a brand new video. So hope you guys are having amazing days, guys. Back again with a tech video for you guys. So guys, today I got a special video for you guys because in this video I'll be doing a review of this power bank. Now this isn't your normal power bank which only charges your smartphone, because this thing can not only charge your smartphone but it also can act as a travel adapter and a wireless charging pad at the same time. To be honest, when I first saw this on the internet, I thought it's going to be a gimmick because the amount of features it was promoting. But after using it for almost, I will say, 2 weeks, I think this product is pretty promising. Now, this is from a company known as Goui or Goui, whatever you want to call them. So it's called, there has one supercharger. So basically, this is a power bank with 8000 milliamp of battery, a fast wireless charger, and a travel adapter. Now, the thing I really like about this travel adapter is it offers 3 different plugs. The US plug, which is built in, the UK plug and the EU plug are in the box. So basically, whenever you are traveling to another country, you don't have to carry so many adapters with you. All you have to do is just carry this power bank and the adapter, and that's about it. And talking about the construction of this power bank, I think it's pretty solid. It has this rubberized kind of texture which is super grippy. So on the left hand side you are going to find the wireless fast charging, which I think is really nice because most other power banks are offering slow wireless charging while this offers fast wireless charging. And on the front hand side you are going to find the USB-C port, and under that you are going to find 2 different ports, the USB-A ports. The first one offers fast charging, the second one doesn't offer fast charging. It's for the gadgets which don't require fast charging. So below that you are going to find a display which is going to show the percentage of the power bank, and under that is a pretty tactile kind of power key. On the right hand side you are going to find branding of the Goui, and also it's engraved in, so it's really nice and solid. And last but not least, the travel adapter part is the place where you are going to find the US plug built in and 2 different adapters, the EU and the UK plugs included in the box. So the great part is, if you want to charge this power bank, all you have to do is just plug this in right into the electricity socket and it's going to charge itself. So whenever this is done charging, you can just take it out and place your smartphone over the wireless charger and it's going to charge your smartphone. Of course, you can also use it as a travel adapter. You can just plug the USB-C leads and plug your gadgets. It will not only charge itself but also the gadgets at the same time. To be honest, it's kind of a little bit on the heavy side, but that's what you really expect when you are getting the 2 extra features like the wireless charger as well as the travel adapter part. So compared to a regular 10,000 milliamp of power bank, it's kind of on the heavier side. And for most new smartphones, it will be able to charge them at least 2 times, which I think is really good for a power bank. And especially for the price you are paying, I don't think there's a lot of room to complain. So if you want to buy this product, I will put the link in the description. And I would like to say this video isn't sponsored by Goui or anything like that. I really like this product and that's why I decided to make a video on this. So if you like the video, make sure to give it a like, and if you're new, consider subscribing or become a part of this channel. And thanks for watching and goodbye.